Okay, good morning class. So let us continue with our accounting class. Accounting 1 when it comes to commerce. So let us continue. Yesterday we took up about interest and after which followed by how to find the rate of a certain amount or interest. For today's lesson, I would like to introduce to you on how to get the principal. Interest, principal, rate, and time. So, interest yesterday, and then rate. Now, we are going to study how to get the principal. Okay, so principal, we have here the equation. P represented by principal, I interest, then rate and time. So for our problem, for 4,500 is the interest of 10%. After 3 months, how much was borrowed? So we are solving how much was borrowed. Now, you notice that the rate is 10%. Why is it that it is 10 hundredths or 0.10? Why? Where did we get 0.10? By? Okay, very good, idol. So by dividing it by 100, so you get 0.10. Now, here is 0.25 for time. Okay lang, tumayo kayo. Here is 0.25 for time. So, in our problem, it is not year, but it is in months. So therefore, let us convert 3 months into year by dividing it by 12. Why? Because in 1 year, we have 12 months. Okay? So, 3 divided by 12 will give you 0.25. Now, we are ready to attack the problem. So, principal is equal to I over rate and time. Now, so I, 4,500, and then rate 10%, 10 hundredths, multiply it by, we convert now time to months, so it is 25 hundredths, or we call it 0.25. Now, so we will multiply 0.10 from 0.25. Using your calculator, please multiply it. 0.10 times 0.25. Okay, 0.025. Now, let us divide 4,500 from 0.025. Let us divide it. 4,500 divide it by 0.025. So, it is 180,000. So, that is how to get the principal. Now, our second problem here is how long will it take 5,000 to become 6,500 at 6% simple interest? Plus, you notice that we have 6,500 here. And that is the future amount. And this is now the principal, 5,000. And then at 6% simple interest. So, if it is how far distance, how long, gaano katagal, it's time. So, how far, gaano kalayo, distance. But here is how long, so it is time. Okay, so our equation for time is equal to interest divided by principal times the rate. We notice that we have future amount here, and that is 6,500. Okay, so we subtract the future amount by the principal. So, the equation therefore is T is equal to future amount minus the principal divided by principal times the rate. Okay, so here. So 6,500 minus 5,000. Alright, we subtract 6,500 from 5,000. Please subtract it. 1,500. Okay? We multiply 5,000 from our rate 0.06. 300. 5,000 times 0.06. Okay. We simply divide now 1,500 from 300. Please divide it. 5. Okay, so it is 5 years because we are solving for time. So that is how we solve for principal and then time. Any question? Okay, Nan? So